The Yamaha YZF R15 has been one of the most successful offering from the Japanese manufacturer in India. Now the bike maker has launched the fourth iteration of the super sports in India, bringing an end to months of speculation and leaks. Yamaha has launched the R15 V4 at a price tag of Rs 1,67,800 rupees ex-showroom. This is a hike of around Rs 10,000 over the previous model. While the R15 doesn't have a direct rival in our country, it still locks horns with the likes of the KTM RC 125. There are mainly 5 editions: the R15 Metallic Red, R15 Dark Knight, R15 Racing Blue, R15M and R15 Monster Energy, which is a top of the line variant with the price tag of 1,79,800 rupees ex-showroom. The most obvious change is to the design of the Yamaha R15. The puny Super Sports now borrows its looks from the Yamaha YZF R3, dropping the dual headlight setup in favor of a single bifunctional LED unit flanked by LED DRLs. Even the side fairings takes inspiration from the 700cc sibling for better aerodynamics. That said, Yamaha hasn't tinkered with the rear. It continues with the same Yamaha R1 inspired sleek LED tail lamps. The Yamaha R15 V4 now comes with new instrument console and finally gets the Bluetooth connectivity. Once connected with the application, you can get the call and SMS alerts, mobile battery status and more on the display. Furthermore, Yamaha has even packed a lap timer and 2 riding modes, namely the street and the track mode, onto the console. Another change comes in the form of an updated shift lights, which are similar to the one on the Triumph Daytona 675. The all-new R15 V4 in its 4th generation of legendary R15, which shares the same DNA with the Super Sports YZF R1. R15 V4 comes with 155cc liquid-cooled 4-valve single overhead cam FI engine with VVA equipped and with a traction control system and a quick shifter. The liquid-cooled single-cylinder overhead cam engine produces a power of around 13.5 kilowatt or 18.4 PS at 10,000 RPM, and maximum torque is marked at 14.2 Newton meters, and it also comes with traction control systems and a quick shifter. An assisted and slipper clutch also comes as standard to reduce the weight of the clutch pull and provide low stress shifting during the acceleration. The A&S helps to reduce the fatigue for the rider. This also helps excessive engine braking, thus reducing its effects on chassis behavior. This clutch makes for smooth and enjoyable downshifts. Talking about the variable valve actuation or the VVA, this is one of a kind high performance VVA system that provides torque for ease of use even at low RPMs. There are 2 intake valve cams, one for low to mid-range RPM, another for high RPM. They switch between each other at 7,400 RPM mark to ensure that good power and torque is present throughout the rev range. Traction control system that is adopted by R15 V4 comes with dedicated electronic system that has the remarkable ability of reducing the chances of the wheel spin, which is nothing but the slippage due to loss of traction. And then comes the quick shifter that allows for clutchless shifting of gears. It increases the comfort of riding the vehicle since it eliminates the need to use a clutch or throttle before and after gear shift. But there is a trick over here. The quick shifter only works in a single direction, that is only to shift the gear up. To take the sporty handling on twisty roads to the next level, R15 V4 employs upside-down suspension at the front with 37mm inner tubes. The upside-down forks improve rigidity and improve stability while taking high-speed turns or during high braking input. This motorcycle also enjoys great performance with superior control. The R15M comes with 282mm front and 222mm rear disc brakes with anti-lock braking system, which means means precise braking even when the bike is speeding up without any wheel lockups. This ensures a confident, inspiring ride and lets the rider enjoy the ride to the maximum limit. This motorcycle also has a 140mm super wide radial tire at the rear that provides a great flexibility at the sidewalls for better grip while cornering and superior shock absorbing capacity to ensure a more comfortable ride. Within this motorcycle, it also has an inbuilt side stand cutoff switch which helps you to remove the stand during those intermediate rides. Guys, let me know what you think about the first look of the R15 V4 and the R15M. Well, we will be reviewing the motorcycle shortly in Automania, and if you like what we do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania for all exclusive automotive updates. Till then, as I always say, wear helmets when you're riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Prashant Banerjee. You're watching Automania, signing off. Ta-da!